Okay, we're going to look at the next part of question one here on this November 21 paper one. Here is 1.2, and they want you to solve this system of equations. They give you 2y equals 3 plus x. Now, you don't want to divide by 2 and put fractions in. That's kind of nasty. So what you do is you subtract x from both sides, and you get x equals 2y minus 3. You actually subtract 3 from both sides. Sorry, did I say subtract x? You subtract 3 from both sides. You'll get 2y minus 3, and it just equals x. Now we've got another way. We've got a way of taking x and putting it in terms of sorry about that. There we go. That was a little weird thing from Google doing something weird. We've got x in terms of y. So x equals 2y minus 3. Now we take the second equation, and whenever we see x, we rub it out and put 2y minus 3. So instead of x, there's a bracket, and there's a 2y minus 3. Instead of x squared, there's 2y minus 3 squared. Now you have to square this. You have to do it real carefully, and you'll see it's a squared minus 2ab. Minus 2 times 3, it's minus 12. You multiply it out carefully, you'll get minus 12y. And negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9 at the end. Here we multiply it out, 4y squared minus 6y. Now, what are we going to do here? We're going to take away 4y squared from both sides. So there, that's gone. You've got minus 6y plus 2. Gee, they did things in a couple of steps here. I'd take away 4y squared from both sides. Then I'd add 6y, and I'd get minus 6y. Then there's a plus 9 here, and they took away 7 minus 7, 0. 9 minus 7 there's your 2. It would be on the right-hand side. But what did we do? We took away 4y squared, we added 6y, and we took away 7. And that's how we got 4y squared minus 6y plus 2. We did those things to both sides. All of this would really be on the right side, and there'd be 0 there, but there you go. Now I can see I can divide everything by 2, make it even easier. Then 2 brackets, 2y times y. That gives me 2y squared. Minus 1 times minus 1 gives me the plus 1. And look, minus 2y, minus 1y. The outside and the inside, well, they just give you the minus 3y. They combine. Well, now we've got it. Y equals 1 makes this 0. And if we make 2y minus 1 equals 0 and solve it, we get 1 over 2 for the other y value. And you can always cheat and do it quickly here. It's not cheating. You just recognize it's actually this number, b over a, every time in the opposite of the sign. Then you take a half. You run up here and you put it here. You go 2 times a half is 1 minus 3. X is minus 2. Then put 1 in there. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. There's your x values that go with the y values. So that's it. There you go. Okay.